Welcome everyone! Today, we will show you how to set conditional rules with EasyFlow to control what product options appear on your Shopify store. Before getting started, make sure you have installed the EasyFlow app in your Shopify store. After that, select a product option set where you want to make the changes. Here, there are different options set for the specific products for your Shopify store. For these specific products, there are options for which you can set the rule for. From the Rules menu, click on Create Rule and a pop-up will appear. Then update a name for the rule. It is time to set the conditions. When select any, the rule will apply if at least one condition is true, but if you select all, it will only apply when all conditions are true. Let's add conditions now. Select if it is EasyFlow product options or Shopify product options. Select your preferred product option. Select is one of or is not one of. And finally, select values. Similarly, you can configure another if condition rule. Select the value for each field one by one. Make changes to the if condition rule and choose all. Let's configure the then actions now. You can show or hide the values for the specific product options. Here, the selected value will be hidden for the condition. You may add more actions if you want. Then click on the Create Rules button. A new condition rule has been created for your EasyFlow product options. Don't forget to click the Save button at the top. Let's have a look now at what this condition will look like in the Shopify store. You will see all the available color options: red, blue, black. From the drop-down, select a shirt size option and then select the fabric option based on your set rule. You will see that the red color is hidden based on the options you have selected. That is how you can set different rules and conditions for specific products on your Shopify store. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.